Are you ready to unlock the skies and take your drone building skills to new heights? Then get ready to soar through the clouds with our expert guide to crafting the perfect drone. In this video, we'll show you how to turn your drone building dreams into reality with step-by-step instructions and insider tips. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced pilot looking to try something new, our guide has everything you need to become a master drone builder. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the exciting world of drone building together. Before we delve into the exhilarating world of drone building, let's first ensure you have the necessary tools for this journey. Assembling a drone requires precision and care, so having the right tools at your disposal is crucial. Let's explore the essential tools you'll need to bring your drone to life. First up, let's talk about the trusty Phillips and flathead screwdrivers. These are your go-to tools for putting together all those tiny parts. Whether it's attaching the arms to the drone's body or securing the propellers in place, these screwdrivers will be your best friends. Make sure you have a variety of sizes to fit all your screws and bolts. Next, we have the soldering iron, if your drone kit requires soldering components, you'll need a soldering iron to melt the solder and connect them effectively. This is especially important for delicate electronic connections. Don't forget to use solder wick and desoldering braid to remove any excess solder. Now let's not overlook the hot glue gun. Hot glue is a lifesaver when it comes to securing parts that don't require precise fastening. It's quick, it's strong, and it's perfect for attaching things like the battery holder or the camera mount, and let's not forget the wire strippers. When dealing with electrical components, it's essential to strip the wires to the correct length for effective connections. Wire strippers will make this task a breeze. Just make sure you get the right size for your drone's wiring. Finally, let's talk about the unsung hero of the drone building process, the multimeter. This handy tool allows you to measure voltage, current, and resistance, ensuring that your connections are safe and your electronics are functioning correctly. It's also useful for calibrating electronic speed controllers. With all these tools in your arsenal, you're ready to embark on your drone building adventure. Remember, precision and patience are key. Take your time, follow instructions carefully, and don't hesitate to consult online resources or seek help from experienced builders. Happy building and happy flying! It's time to turn your drone building dreams into reality. And to help you on this exciting journey, we've compiled some of the best books that will guide you every step of the way. If you're new to the world of drones, then the Drone Builder's Handbook by Chris Anderson is a must-read. This comprehensive guide covers everything from the basics of drone flight to building your very first quadcopter. With detailed instructions and illustrations, it's the perfect starting point for beginners. For those looking to delve deeper into drone mechanics, Multirotor UAV Systems, A Practical Introduction by David J. Malloy is an excellent choice. This book explores the inner workings of multirotor drones, covering topics such as propulsion systems, flight control, and sensor integration. If you're interested in building racing drones, then look no further than Build Your Own FPV Racing Drone by Chad Murgatroyd. This book provides step-by-step instructions for building a high-performance racing drone along with tips on how to improve your flying skills. And finally, if you want to learn how to repair and maintain your drone, then Drone Repair Manual by John A. Gardner is the book for you. It covers everything from basic maintenance checks to more complex repairs, helping you keep your drone in top flying condition. With these books in your library, you're all set to embark on your drone building journey. So grab a copy of your chosen book, settle in, and let the learning begin. Remember, knowledge is the key to unlocking the skies. So read up, stay curious, and prepare to build your very own masterpiece. Have you ever dreamed of soaring through the skies with a drone of your own design? Building a drone can be an incredibly rewarding experience, allowing you to customize every aspect of your aircraft and unleash its full potential. But where do you even start? Fear not, because we've got you covered. Here's a roadmap to guide you through the exciting process of building your first drone. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose your drone kit. Selecting the right drone kit is crucial for a successful build. Consider your budget, intended use, and skill level when making your choice. There are numerous drone kits available, from beginner-friendly options to more advanced kits for experienced builders. Research different brands and models, read reviews, and compare features to find the perfect kit for you. Some popular brands include DJI, Unique, Hubsan, and FQ7. Step 2. Gather your tools and materials. Before you begin assembling your drone, make sure you have all the necessary tools and materials. Check the kit's instructions to see what's included and what you'll need to provide. Common tools include screwdrivers, soldering irons, and wire strippers. Having the right tools will ensure a smooth and efficient build process. Step 3. Follow the instructions. Once you've gathered all your materials and tools, it's time to start building. Carefully follow the instructions provided with your drone kit. Pay attention to each step and take your time to avoid mistakes. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out to the manufacturer or search for online tutorials or forums for assistance. Step 4. Test and adjust. As you near the end of your build, it's crucial to test and adjust as you go. This will help you identify any issues or make adjustments to ensure a successful flight. Test the drone's motors, propellers, and control systems to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Fine-tune the settings and make any necessary modifications to the aircraft's design based on your testing results. Step 5. Enjoy the flight. After a successful test, it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Take your drone to a safe and open space and experience the thrill of flight with your custom-built drone soaring through the skies. You'll feel a sense of accomplishment and pride knowing that you created this amazing machine. Building a drone can be a fun and rewarding experience, but it's essential to start with the right foundation. By following these steps and investing in quality tools and materials, you'll be well on your way to building your very first drone. Remember to choose a kit that suits your needs, gather the necessary tools, follow instructions, test and adjust as you go, and most importantly, have fun. With patience and practice, you'll be soaring through the skies in no time. If you found this guide helpful, please don't hesitate to give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your drone building journey and answer any questions you may have. Thanks for joining us today, and happy building. Until next time, keep exploring the world of drones and never stop soaring to new heights.